أما بعد فإن خير الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واركعوا مع الراكعين. And also said, أقيموا الصلاة لذكري, and said Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, الصلاة عماد الدين, and said also الصلاة معراج المؤمن, and said الصلاة قرة أعين. They are president and commanders of this annual speech competition, and my others, their teachers. Dear audience, my topic is in this annual contest, Salah. Salah also called Namaz. The Salah, period, second pillar of Islam. The Islamic faith is based of the belief that individuals have a direct relationship with a God. The world's Muslim turn individually and collectively to Makkah, Islam's holy city, to offer 5 daily prayers: at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset after, night evening, and Fajr them. Salah is compulsory and obligatory prayer. As I said Allah, أقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واركعوا مع الراكعين. Salah is unique worship. It's the minister of the Islamic religion and a special worship that distinguishes Muslim from non-Muslims. من ترك الصلاة متعمدا فقد كفر. And Salah is a unique worship. It's the minister of the Islamic religion and a special worship that distinguishes Muslim from non-Muslims. من ترك الصلاة متعمدا فقد كفر. And said also الصلاة عماد الدين. Salah is pillar of deen, that is to say Islam's, that perform 5 times every day, prescribed times. The Salah or Salat come from the Arabic word which originally means connections and refer to prayer and supplication to Allah. Is it makes connections? Is it makes connection and refer to prayer? In last, I pray to Allah that He give us ability to perform Salah, pillar of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.